Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel for another hotel review. Today we are in Pune and I'll give you a complete room tour and food review for 4 points by Sheraton. This is my second stay in this hotel. Last time I missed to cover it, but this time I'll make sure to give you a full review. The moment you enter, there is a cupboard on the left side and a bathroom on the right. Pretty standard for most of the hotels in India. The bathroom is well maintained with all the necessary amenities, nothing fancy as such. Just the usual soap, shampoo, moisturizer, dental kit, and so on. In the cupboard, you'll find an iron table, safe, and room sleepers. Then you move forward towards the room, you'll find this small coffee station with the usual coffee, creamer, sugar, and all. Then comes the TV, which is small but we'll probably won't be using it. Then we also have this small workstation with table lamp and notepads, and here comes a single seater sofa, and here's the complete view of our room. Pretty decent setup that you can expect from 4 points by Sheraton. The view from our room is also decent with a city view and it looks better during the night. After recording this full room tour, I had some work to finish, so I ordered coffee from the room service and got back to work. Once I wrapped up our project, I headed to their all-day dining area on the ground floor, where they serve most of the food. Today I decided to go for the buffet menu because I wasn't sure what I wanted to eat. I usually pick buffet when I'm confused and don't know what I want to eat, because you get multiple options from different cuisines. So let me quickly show you all the options in today's spread and then I'll share what I picked and my honest feedback. First, I took paneer tikka as a starter and some salad variants with cream soup. I'm not a big fan of cream soup and honestly I don't know why I picked it. And yes, it was bad. The starter were decent but the soup didn't work for me. After that, I tried pasta which was good and noodle with broccoli in red gravy which was again fine, not that good, not that bad. Then I took some haryali paneer tikka, gobi manchurian and paneer lavabdar with some bindis. Out of all these, only the gobi tasted a bit better. The rest were just okay. For dessert, I took rabdi as recommended by the staff, moong dal halwa and baked yogurt. But again, the dessert were disappointing as well. Overall, the food quality was just okay. Definitely not the worth spending 2000 on a buffet. And honestly, I feel buffet food in general isn't that great. I've tried multiple places and it's mostly been disappointing. So, until unless you are not confused like me what you want to eat, then don't go for buffet options. Overall, 4 Point by Sheraton is a good place to stay and have great fine dining restaurant with their a la carte menu. But their buffet really needs some improvement. That's all for today's video. I'll head back to my room and I'll see you in the next one. Till then, like, share and subscribe.